Okay guys, let's do it together. First round is 30 seconds. Get ready in 2, 1 and go. 30 seconds, knee tucks. Find your comfortable pace guys, no need to push too hard. This is the first round, is still sort of a warm-up, so comfortable pace, just bring your knees up and down. Exhale every time you bring your knees up. Good job. You got 7 more seconds. 3, 2, 1 and rest. Good job guys, 10 seconds break. Walk around, fetch your breath. Get your equipment ready for circle lifts. Get ready in 2, 1 and go. Make your moves nice and smooth. Try to keep your arms straight and draw a nice half circle around you, around your head. Good job guys, you're halfway through, keep moving, keep breathing. You got 10 more seconds to go. 5 more. 3, 2, 1 and change. Good job guys. Quick break, next one is the jump twist. Get ready in 3 seconds. 2, 1 and go. Good work guys. Focus on your breathing. Try to exhale through the open mouth every time you twist. Remember, no need to push too hard, just find a comfortable pace. It's still a warm-up round. You're halfway through guys. Nice and steady, watch your breath. You got 5 more seconds left. 3, 2, 1 and change. Good job guys, quick break. Fetch your breath. Sit down on the floor and get ready for Russian twists. Get ready in 2, 1 and go. Russian twist guys. Right knee goes to left elbow to right knee. You can keep your feet in the air or you can rest them on the floor if you feel that the burning in your abdominals is unbearable. Control your pace, you got 10 more seconds to go. Exhale through the open mouth, inhale through the nose. Good job guys, stay strong. You got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1 and rest. Good job guys, quick break, fetch your breath. You may stay on the floor. Next exercise is hip thrusters. Get ready in 2, 1 and go. Alright, so here you have to try and feel and engage your glutes. You can alternate your legs or you can do both legs at the same time. If you don't feel your glutes, try to pinch it before you start doing the exercise. Exhale every time you drive your hips up. Good job guys, you got 10 more seconds to go. Nice and steady. 3, 2, 1 and change. Good work guys. Next one is straight lift, so get your equipment ready and get ready to punch in 3, 2, 1 and go. Good job guys. No rush, straight arms, and with exhale lift the weight all the way up to the level of your eyes. You can lift it a little bit higher, that's fine. Just remember, you have to control your breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the open mouth. If your shoulders start burning, it's good. You got 5 more seconds to go, stay strong. 3, 2, 1 and change. Well done guys, you're doing great. You're halfway through the round. Get ready for step ups with knee in 3, 2, 1 and go. Remember, you can hold the wall if you have troubles with balancing, and also you can alternate your legs the way you feel is comfortable. Means that you can alternate your legs after each repetition or do as me, one leg half round and then the other leg another half of the round. Keep going guys, you got 10 more seconds to go. You got 5, 3, 2, 1 and change. Good job guys. Next one is jack press. So prepare your equipment, canister of water or any other weight. Get ready in 3, 2, 1 and go. Remember the pattern that I told you about earlier. Try to keep it in your head and exhale when you press the canister up and inhale when you bring it down. Try to find a comfortable pace and to stick to it. Breathing is super important during this exercise. Good job, guys. You got 10 more seconds to go. Stay strong. You got 3, 2, 1, and change. Well done, guys. You got only 4 exercises to go. That's only 2 minutes of work. Sit down on the floor and get ready for knee hugs. Get ready in 2, 1, and go. Remember, guys, if you choose to use alternatives of this move, stick to them. Exhale every time you bring your body forward. Inhale every time you extend it. Good job, you're halfway through. Keep breathing, guys, keep breathing. 10 more seconds. You got 5 to go. 3, 2, 1, and change. Good work, guys. You may stay on the floor. We're gonna do 2 elbow alternate raises. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, guys, try to make moves nice and controlled. Curve your back. Inhale when you bring your knee to elbow. Exhale when you lift up your limbs. Stay strong, you're halfway through. Good job, guys. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. You can alternate sides whenever you want. You got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and change. Good work, guys. Now stand up and get ready for a quick feet. Catch your breath. Get ready in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. The exercise before the last. You're doing great, guys. Just concentrate and make this last leap. You're doing great. Keep breathing, keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You got 10 more seconds to go. You're very close, guys. Keep moving, keep moving. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and change. Good work, guys. You got 1 more exercise to go. Walk around, fetch your breath, and get ready for steam engines. In 3, 2, 1, and go. This is the last exercise, guys. This is a chance for you to gradually lower your heart rate, which will help you to recover before the next round. So far you've done a very good job. You're warm by now and you're ready to smash hard. Keep breathing. Inhale when you lift up your arms, exhale when knee goes to the elbow. You got 7 more seconds, you're nearly there. 3, 2, 1, and done. Well done, guys. So that was first round. Now have a 3-5 minutes break, set up your timers on 40 seconds and hit next one. See you soon.